Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is SYCHEN again, Green Innovation Living Inc., California, United States. This part I'm going to give you a demo about last session we mentioned about the Model 2, which is HPC Model 2. And this model, the thermal module can dissipate around like a 550 watts power in the area of 40 meter by 40 meter square of chip power. You can look at this. Right now the room temperature is 26 degrees, okay? And then the setup here, and this fan is simulate the system fan. We only use less than 40 CFM, very low RPM fan. And this is the server fan. We use a very low RPM server fan, which the CFM is around like 120 CFM. And put on top of the heatsink. On the left hand side, we have 6 heat pipe. On the right hand side, we have another 6 heat pipe. And underneath, there's a cold plate. Under the cold plate, there's a simulation CPU by using a ceramic heater, 40 meters by 40 millimeters. 40 millimeters by 40 millimeters. So this generator setup, this is the power supply. Now we begin the test. Okay, let me turn on the fan, the server fan. And this is the system fan. And let me turn on the power. So now, let me turn on the power to boost up the power. Right now, the power that we look at is 61 volt by 7.70 amp, 7.64 amp. So when it's stabilized, we can calculate the power input. Right now, the power is 61 volt and multiplied by, let's say, 7.48 is around 456 watts. Now we're looking at around 450 watts, and I'm going to boost up to like a 550 watts. Now when you look at the case temperature underneath the cold plate, which we call it the case temperature, right? And right now the case temperature is like right now we're having 53 degrees centigrade. It's going up a little bit, 54. It takes like a few seconds to reach to a steady state. 55 now. It looks like it's pretty much saturated. Now, I'm going to boost up to like a 550 watts and see what happens. Now looking at the The voltage, DC current voltage is 69.6. That's 69.6 times 8.03. We're talking about 558.88 watts. Let's stabilize this power and see what happens, okay? Under this 558 watts, the case temperature, we're looking at this 65 right now, and see what happens. Six, 66 now, 66. See if it's going up a little bit when it's saturated. It looks like it's 67, yes. Now we calculate the thermal resistance for like the 558 watts. Right now it's 67, so it's 67 degrees centigrade minus the room temperature 26 equals to 41, and divided by the power 558 equals to 0.073. So it's the thermal resistance for this system is 0.0734 degree per watt. Okay, this is the demonstration of this device, which the thermal resistance is not that high. It's only 0.073 compared to a lot of 550 watts CPU cooler out there talking about 0.09 to 0.1, that kind of range. So you can have a basic understanding of what is the performance that we have right now. Okay? Thank you. I will show you the next demo.